Hello everyone and welcome to the Gulf Sniper channel. This is Talali with you, and I'm going to take you today through the recap of Friday the 6th of August 2021. Let me take you first through the basis of our daily trading. Our starting equity has been reduced from $10,000 to $5,000, and the share size was reduced from 3,000 shares to 1,500. Commission per trade is 3.95. That's for my broker CMEG. And for money management, the stop loss is at minus 3% from our entry, and the take profit is 7% from our entry price. Let me take you through the calendar for Wednesday. We had a very bad start for the month, but we don't really bother ourselves about these. Even this one is winning. We don't really count on this, but we focus on the opportunities, and we care about the percentage, the winning rate, and we analyze the opportunities that we enter during the live trading sessions. For this week, for the past days, we did not put opportunities because the live streaming was on, and we were focused on other direct matters with our subscribers, but we left it on auto, and we saw people sharing with us, subscribers sharing with us the opportunities, and it was excellent session. Really, it was excellent practice that we see our subscribers putting the recommendations and the winning opportunities, and there was good application for our theory really, and for the screeners. So that was an excellent thing to do together live. Now, looking into the opportunities that appeared on the 6th of August, since the number is less, we will talk about them all. Then we will highlight those top 5 gainers. So at the beginning of the market, ANY appeared into the picture, but ANY was doing opening up, gapping up, and the opportunity here was obvious that it will this one is tricky, because when you enter, you will not see all these. You will just see here, you will see it going, so the opportunity will come here, and then you will see this candle going up, so maybe you'll decide to enter. So what will happen is that you will enter, but unfortunately it will turn against you, and then it will go down. Then it will go down all the way till it closes the gap that it opened at, yes. Then it might start to go up again, and that was not all the gap, by the way. That was only up to this area, to the lowest, and then it continued to go up. Then it went down again. So the entry, if somebody enters this trade at that position, was supposed to be correct, but it's the movement of the stock which had changed its direction when the market had opened. Moving quickly to CYTO. CYTO does not give you a good entry here, so this should not be considered. OCUP is giving you early signal, so you will not enter here. Maybe you will wait for this signal, for this candle, or maybe you will enter at this candle. But this candle itself is not a candle that someone counts on. So maybe you will start counting from this area. Next, MVSTW, good opportunity, but did not make the 7% immediately. So as a result, according to our trading strategy, maybe you should be closing here. So you enter at 3.76 and you close at this area, close to the 4. And why is that? Because usually we trade between 5 to 15 minutes only. So this is our window here. So when it starts to go down, the very worst thing that you can do is to close at break even. So that's not supposed to be a losing trade. At least it's not. If somebody is not winning in this, at least it should not be a losing trade. It should be at break even. Next, BVXV is not supposed to be really considered because there is no volume really, and this is only happening at this particular 2 or 3 candles. I don't think that this is a real opportunity really to enter. It's not clear. WORX was doing great and was one of our subscribers selection, and it was doing really great. So thanks, Eddie, for your selection, for your excellent application. Next, OFS, very slow trading, very slow movement, and it's coming at 11:13, but I don't think that this is really an opportunity due to the low trading. There is no price movement action really. Next, IMUX, and we talked about this one during application, but it did not do that excellent movement immediately. So we closed with maybe 1.5% only when we saw that the price started to touch the moving averages. Next, LVOX. In 2 hours, LVOX, almost 2 hours, yes, more than 2 hours, LVOX made the 7%. But if somebody elects to leave at this area, maybe somebody can just make a couple of cents or $40-50. Next, WYY was not really appearing at excellent area. It was too late. The signal was too late really. Next, MFH was a losing one because the signal is appearing here. If the signal appeared somewhere here, maybe it can make you at least 3%. So it did not make it. Next, OLB. As usual, OLB is generous. It gave yesterday a very generous 7% in no time. Following that is LSEA, and LSEA has done it, but actually I'm not happy with this performance here. In 4 hours, in the first 1, 2, 3 candles, maybe you will leave with a couple of cents, equivalent to $30-40, maybe $50, but I don't think that I will continue with this trade if I elect to enter. This is not my tab actually. There is no price movement or volume. Then the top winning one for Friday was TERN, and TERN has done it in less than 15 minutes and gave clear 7% with a clear entry and clear exit. The exit here is your 7% first, and then looking into this distance between the moving average and the price, it is a clear indication that it will have to revisit the moving average and then centralize around it and then go up. Next, METC was winning on our previous updates, but today is coming at very late stage and very late timing, and thus it is not considered. Similarly for DXYN and HIHO. Now rearranging with the top 5, will show you that, as we talked about TERN, it was the best and the most winning one, the top winning one in typical one, happening at very early, right on the moving averages. Everything is set up, the setup is excellent, and everything is set very well, and then the blast off. Then LVOX, which made it in 2 hours and 15 minutes. Then OLB, which has done great, really. And then IMUX. Then WORX, WORX. That's all, folks, for this day and for the week. I hope that you enjoyed with us during the week, and I wish you a very wonderful weekend, and see you on Monday on live trading.